What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are here for the Orbeeze in the back to pick up, me too, and the pickup's not here. So Eric last night told me that he needed to go to work today. So he has to go to work, and so we're doing it at like 4 o'clock when he gets back. So we have all the Orbeeze. Look at these big ones. These big ones are freaking weird looking. Like that looks more like a donut than an Orbeeze. Oh, and it broke. But luckily, while he's gone, I can run and get a tarp for this video because I was smart enough not to grab a tarp yesterday before all the stores closed. So I'm gonna go get a tarp. Also gonna go to the P.O. box because that package that I was gonna get, also, they closed. So we're gonna go pick all that up and then we're gonna get back home. The boys are gonna come over and we're gonna do some stupid stuff in the back of the pickup truck in the yard. A P.O. box opening. I'm pretty sure Danny Yeager told me he sent this. It's like a gravity feeder. You can strap it to a tree and feed it, put in like a feed so that things can come in. He sent that so we can catch the deer on camera. So maybe we'll do that in like the next couple of videos. We just need to set it up and put it in the tree. And then we got another P.O. box package. Boiled peanuts. Youngs. Let's see what they are. Oh, a bunch of different types of nuts. I'll be darned. Okay, I'm gonna save these for when we get back to the house, and I'll have everyone try them with me. Okay, now I gotta go to Harbor Freight and get a tarp for today. We've made it to Harbor Freight. Okay, I think 11 by 17 will be enough for what we need. Eric has made it back home from his work, and now we gotta test to see if the tarp is big enough for the back. I think it is. Let's get this all set up. Got the Orbeeze tarp in the truck. It's 11 by 17. Okay, we got the base for everything. You wanna back it up to there and we'll start dumping? Yes. Okay, now for the transfer. That's so satisfying. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna have enough. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys up right here and we're just gonna start filling. Okay, we're getting in. Oh, it's cold. We're gonna go take thumbnail. So I gotta ride in the back. Oh my gosh. That's just nothing. One more little, oh! This is gonna be so crazy with two people back here. Oh my gosh. This moves so much. Look at this one I found, you guys. It's like a... Okay, we're gonna take thumbnail real quick and then have some fun. Okay, Jose, you do have your bathing suit on, so that means you're ready to hop in?
I didn't have any clothes.
I think you're ready to hop in. That's what that looks like to me. I wonder if it will explode if I throw it at my car. Yes, yes is the answer. You missed. Okay, we are ready to do our first real run in the back. What the fetch? Jose, you good? Yeah. Okay, Eric. Go a little crazy, but not too crazy. I'm hopping in the back with Jose. Okay, you're good to go. Let's go. This is crazy. Oh, oh my God. Jose's holding on for dear life. Jose, you can't hold on. That's the whole point of this. No hand it. You gotta no hand it. This is probably by far my favorite thing to do, like ever on YouTube. It's Orbeeze in the back of a movie truck, or Orbeeze in the back of a pickup truck. We had to, oh my gosh. Wait, it is way safer though now. Oh, maybe not. No. we lost a few. Maybe a little not too safe. But This is kind of relaxing. Can you do like a lap for me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, we lost some Orbeeze. Sexy Lord. Oh my gosh, we're sideways on the hill. We're gonna go to a drive-thru, and then we're gonna get Eric in the back of this. So a lot of people say my ideas are really stupid and people can get hurt, but I mean, we do it decently safe. Like, we're not driving all the way to the drive-thru in the back of the truck. As soon as we get there though, we're gonna get in the back of the truck. Okay, we are just now pulling up to the drive-thru. Joseph works at this drive-thru, so it's gonna be pretty funny. Howdy, sir.
Oh my god.
Hi, Grace.
Do you want to hump in?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on, hop in.
I gotta reach him, I'm too short. Oh my god, that's great.
That's crazy.
I want to get in there so bad.
You guys won't?
I would if we weren't here.
Come on, you'll dry off.
No. I got here till no.
Stick your finger in.
I'm taking my socks off. Actually.
Come on, Ash, why?
Oh my god, do it.
Oh my god.
I love to do it. Ashley, come on! Watch the front door!
Look at it. Oh my god. It's the best feeling on
It is, right?
Isn't it?
Oh wow. How much did you put in here? Come on.
It's like $1,050,000. Hey, can I get a white Gatorade?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
I got it.
Terry, your shoes are right there.
Thanks. I'm gonna go barefoot till I drive. Just the white Gatorade?
Yep, just a white Gatorade. You can just throw it in the back.
Really?
Yeah. Now, thank you. Where'd it go?
It is gone.
Oh, it's like its own little ice pack back there. Whoa, I just made a mess. My bad.
It's okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Thanks guys. Have a good one.
Have a good day.
Bye, Grace.
See ya. Ah! This is so fun, you guys. I love my life. So that was a success. Jose's a little hungry, so we're gonna stop by Taco Bell for Jose. But we're gonna go through the drive-thru.
I figured you can't get anything to eat.
If you're not in the back?
You're not allowed to get anything unless if you're not in the back.
Okay, you're good. Can we get a just beef and cheese burrito?
And can we do a crunchy taco?
And a crunchy taco? That's it. Thank you.
Alright, that'll be 3.
That took them about 7 hours.
It was forever. Horrible quality.
That is horrible quality customer service.
Well, this is awful.
353.
Thank you. She just doesn't care at all.
Does not care at all.
She doesn't give 2 flips.
2 flips and a crap.
Thank you. Appreciate it. But he didn't care at all. She was like, that's normal.
Probably because it's so normal out here.
Here, you want your meal? How's the taco?
I got some Orbeeze in here too.
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good burrito.
Now my taco's all soggy.
How is it? Very good. We got a few Orbeeze in the truck. Okay, let's go home.
Look at his back.
Oh my gosh, you might have hit the corner. We're gonna go home and Marlo's coming over and he's gonna go in. You gonna hop in, Sarah?
No, your feet are in it.
My feet aren't in it. I make sure to take them off.
Time you had a bath. There's like the
Oh,
hot.
that's a defective Orbeeze.
Yeah, there's.
So in Idaho, there's like the hot pots, and I don't like to go to the hot pots. People
There's
go
so
there to
much-
have baths.
when we did
Oh,
them.
I broke it! I broke the carpet.
When we did
How
it.
old are you? Don't
Oh,
talk
no.
about stuff like that all the time.
10.
Mentally?
Yeah.
Have you just been in it all day?
Maybe.
Oh, Yeah, wait. I just stuck my hands in that water.
I peed 3 times. What are you doing? Marlo, you ready to hop in? Oh, he brought his GoPro.
My knockoff GoPro.
He's
Actually,
ready.
It's Polaroid brand.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I've used it.
Does it work?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
And I hope my rash doesn't spread.
Me too.
Oh god, this is weird.
Oh yeah, you haven't been in yet.
Oh, oh,
My toes kind of blend in.
oh, that is weird.
This is gonna be pretty fun.
Mount the He's more at risk than us in any diseases, right?
Oh shit.
I have a feeling Wade's gonna go a little bit crazier than you were.
Marlo just splashed me.
I think we might have lost some.
This tailgate doesn't open.
This is so funny. Bro, just imagine this in a moving truck with a bunch of idiots.
Oh my god.
We would go like probably 15 to 20 miles an hour to complete stop. It was pretty crazy.
Oh shit.
Oh, we can bob for apples. I got you.
Okay. It's just a little tour. Backyard tour. Oh shoot.
Uh-oh.
From a different angle.
The ducks, look at the ducks. They know to stay away.
The ducks are like, no. It's one way to get close. This should be like team bonding. Everyone get in the back of the Orbeeze and we're gonna all just got no choice.
Is he going for the ducks? He's aiming for the ducks.
He's doing the tree weave. I didn't realize there was a hill right there. Marlo just pushed it You guys, I think that's gonna end out today's video. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe. Remember, do what you love, never give up. Bye.
Bye.